Good morning, class. Welcome back to grade 3 maths. How are you all doing today? Let's learn some word problems involving multiplication of 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples today. So let's see the first question. This is a question from your textbook. A school bus can seat 25 children. How many children can be seated in 20 such buses? So what is given in the question? There is this school bus, and in one school bus it can accommodate 25 children. And what if there are 20 such buses? How many children can be seated in 20 such buses? So how can we write the steps with this? See the data given in the question and let's write the steps using the data. So it is given the number of children in one bus. How much is it? The number of children that can be seated in one bus is equal to 25. And there are how many buses? The number of buses, the total number of buses is equal to 20. Now, the total number of children in 20 buses would be equal to the number of children in one bus into the number of buses. Clear? Now, let's substitute the numbers. It would be equal to, the total number of children would be equal to 25 into 20. 25 is the number of children in one bus and 20 is the number of buses. So, we have the multiplication here and see 25 into 20. This 20 is a multiple of 10, right? So, let's split this 20 as 2 into 10. So, the multiplication would become 25 into 20 is equal to 25 into 2 into 10. Clear? Now, let's group this 25 into 2 and then multiply that with 10. So, 25 into 2 is equal to 50 and we have 50 into 10. So, 50 into 10, you just write 50 and add or insert this 10 to the right end of 50. So, the final product would be 50 into 10 is equal to 500 children. So, how many children can be seated in 20 buses? 500 children. Clear? Now, we'll see one more question. 1000 people can sit in an auditorium. How many people can sit in 9 such auditoriums? So, if in one auditorium 1000 people can be seated, what if there are 9 such auditoriums? So, this is the number of people that can sit in one auditorium and that multiplied by the number of auditoriums, which is equal to 9. That multiplied by 9 would give us the number of people that can sit in 9 such auditoriums, right? So, let's write the steps from the data given in the question. So, the number of people that can sit in one auditorium is equal to 1000 and the number of auditoriums is equal to how much? 9. So, the total number of people that can sit in 9 auditoriums will be equal to number of people that can sit in one auditorium into the number of auditoriums. So, substituting the numbers, we get 1000, which is the number of people that can sit in one auditorium, into 9, the total number of auditorium. So, 1000 into 9, a number multiplied by 1000. Just write the number and insert the 3 zeros of 1000 to the right end of the number. So, 9 into 1000 or 1000 into 9 is equal to 9000 people. So, how many people can sit in 9 auditoriums? 9000 people. Clear? Now, you can go through the topic word problems that involves multiplication of 10, 100, 1000 and their multiples in page number 62 of your textbook. Once you're done with that, please move on to exercise 4.6. You have to complete the questions, question number 2, 3 and 4. Question number 5 we have already discussed in class. So, that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.